Ooh, I'm liking this. Hey everyone, welcome to AegyoTV. I'm Andrew, and today I have two MV reactions for you. Today, this first one is Ladies Code, The Rain. I am a few days late on this because I wasn't able to catch them when they actually came back like 4 days ago, but I'm super excited because, duh, Ladies Code, Avi. So I just want to jump right into it. I heard really good things about it. My sister was like, it's like a Galaxy Part 2, and I'm really into it, so let's get to it! Ready, set, go. Who's that in the umbrella? Oh, piano. The Rain. I'm really liking this whole like 3 they're using and everything. Oh, is that Zuni? Ah, I love that umbrella! Oh my god, I want that aesthetic. Oh my god, their outfits. Whoa! Ooh, the vocals. It's very on point. Oh, get it, Ashley. I really like the umbrellas. Oh man. Oh, Sojong. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I'm feeling this aesthetic. Oh, the mirrors breaking is crazy. What is this? Oh, fish? Oh, where are they now? Outside? What's going on? I'm really feeling this beat. It's very, like, soothing. I like these outfits, and I like this chandelier. Oh my god, I thought the song was done. Oh, they look so good. Ashley is looking really good. I don't know, those shoes are cool. I'm really liking this like 2016 focus on the vocals, very sensual, soothing. What is she in a plastic bag? Oh, whoa! That bathtub. Ooh, I'm liking this. Oh my god, the visuals in this are really cool. I'm really digging this. Oh, Sojong with the vocals. I love these umbrellas. I want to make one. Oh. Oh man, they're stepping on glass. There's so much stuff going on. Oh man. I'm really feeling this. I really like how everything's like falling, hitting the mirrors. Oh man. I also like this beat in the background. Where are they walking? There's umbrellas falling? Oh, I love how conceptual this is. Umbrellas. Oh man. The Rain, Ladies Code. I am really digging this whole conceptual feel that they're coming back with. Like, Ladies Code has always been very conceptual, but like the visuals in this are so different than a lot of other MVs, which I really like. I love the umbrella with the flowers in it. I love the like marbles falling on the mirrors. I feel like this means something, and I just can't wrap my head around it yet. I can't wait to see them do this live because the dance looks actually pretty cool. Their outfits look awesome. I'm like really digging the floral print and like the lines. Super cool, black and white. I will say it is like Galaxy Part 2, but it definitely has a more like catchy tempo and catchy like rhythm, so beat in the background. The what is it? The chorus isn't as like crazy as Galaxy. Like it's not as catchy, but I think after a few listens you'll definitely get into it. I'm really liking this comeback. Very much a new style of K-pop that is like ladies' code. Like I think they're finding their like specific part in K-pop, and I like that. What do you guys think about the MV? What do you think of the song? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see them live soon. So I'll go check out their live performances, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!